We got sea salt spray and we have texture powder. Head-to-head combat. Which one is going to be better for your hair and your hairstyle? Let's check it out. Starting with sea salt spray, what does it do? Sea salt spray is going to give your hair that nice natural texture that you get whenever you step out of the ocean water. Think when you go swimming in the ocean, you got all that nice natural flow to your hair. It's going to really enhance the flow. It's going to add a nice little extra wave to your hair as well. Who's it for? Sea salt spray can be used on all types of hair length and all types of hair as well. If you have more straight hair that is falling flat, put a few sprays of this into that hair. It's really going to add that texture and bring it to life. If you already have curly or you already have wavy hair, this is going to enhance that curl and enhance that wave and really just give it that extra layer of just specialness, that's really going to make that hairstyle pop. How to use it? Start by applying a few sprays into your damp hair, being sure to get into the roots for max volume. Go ahead and scrunch your hair with your hands, which is essential for adding more texture to the look. You can let it air dry or hit it with a blow dryer to set it all in place. Onto texture powder. What does this do? This is going to add all this volume and this weightless lift to your hair. Who's it for? It's perfect for a little bit more shorter or choppier hairstyles, anything that requires a lot of volume as well. It's going to add all that lift and it's give you plenty of volume, the same kind of work that a gel would do in your hair, but without that grease, without that shine, and without that crunchiness that classic gels offer. How to style texture powder. You want to start by putting a few shakes of it into your dry hair. Make sure your hair is dry, otherwise the powder is not going to work as effectively in giving you all that volume. And then you're going to go ahead and style accordingly. I like to get in there with my hands, give it a nice shake around in my hair, and that's going to add all that volume and all that texture and just bring your hair to life. All right, to sum it up, you guys, sea salt spray for more of those wavy hairstyles. Anything that you want a lot of movement still and you just want to add that little extra something with that texture, go with some sea salt spray. Texture powder, if you need a lot of volume in your hair and you want an easy way to get it, a few sprinkles of this into your hair and you will be set for the day. You can rework it. It's a nice flexible hold without being greasy or oily. Go with the texture powder for that. But to sum it up, both of these are great products. You can also use them together. You can start with the sea salt spray and then follow it with the texture powder to give you all that volume. Just remember to use the texture powder on dry hair and you will be looking fantastic. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate that and I hope you learned something new about sea salt spray and texture powder. And until the next video, we'll see you guys around. Take it easy.